Hi GP learners. In this episode I'm going to show you what equipment I take to me when I go to a conference. It's something I've been asked recently and I thought I'd show you when I attend the best practice conference today. It's Tech Enhance Your Primary Care and Learning. If this is the first time we're meeting, I'm Dr. Gandalf from EGP Learning, and I'm supporting you in Technology Enhanced Primary Care and Learning. And in this episode, I'm here at the Best Practice Conference here in Birmingham. And I got asked earlier, what would I take to a conference? Well, I'm here today, I'm going to the RCGP annual conference in a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd show you what I brought with me today, and what you may want to consider when you attend conferences and stuff. The first thing I'm going to cover is when you go to a conference, have an aim for what you want to get out of that conference. If it's networking, great. If it's seeing the stalls and posters and that kind of stuff, even better. If it's actually to learn stuff, which is what most of us will want to do, definitely the way to go. Make sure you plan your day. Have a look at the itinerary at least the day before so you can remind yourself of the talks that you want to go to. The agenda should be a lot clearer by that point. And also structure how you want to do that in terms of which sessions you want to go to, things you want to see. And mark down the must-dos and the maybe-dos. Because actually you want to make sure you've got some flux time in there to enjoy yourself. In terms of equipment, okay, definitely some things you need to take with you. As a techie, you're not going to zip your eyes. I'm going to suggest you take your phone with you. A smartphone that does the basic stuff, definitely. I'm actually recording this episode on my smartphone, different to my normal camera, that kind of things and some of my videos on, purely because I don't want to be lugging that around, and hopefully this is doing quite well. I unfortunately didn't remember to bring my microphone, but if you're clearly a content creator and you're doing that kind of stuff, make sure you bring your microphone with you. In terms of other kind of stuff, well, you're bringing tech equipment, you kind of need to make sure you've got enough battery power. It's that Maslow's hierarchy of needs, isn't it? Wi-Fi, battery power. And for me, I've always used one of these easy access battery kits. Dead simple. The reason why I like this one is a 10,000 milliamp one. So I get about 3 charges from this, which is more than enough to get me through a day without any problems. It's also not too heavy, but at the same time, it's about the same size as my phone. You can get much bigger ones, which will last a much longer time. And particularly if you're using a tablet, you may need a bigger version because they will take more power and stuff. But for a one-day conference, this is more than enough. Next up, you need a charger cable to go with it. And what I would actually recommend nowadays is getting one of these triple header ones. Okay, this is a bog standard charger cable, cost me £6. And the reason why I like it is it's got the 3 different, so it's got one for USB-Cs, so the newer kind of Samsung phones, OnePlus, that kind of stuff. It's got the iPhone charger cable, and it's also got the USB standard kind of one. So this is the one I actually use to recharge this. So that's why I like having this, because it's one cable, it does everything, and it saves space, so you've got less equipment to carry. If I do have to sit down at the point where I've got access to a plug, I've got my portable charger plug as well. So this is one that I've had for a couple of years now. It works really well. As you can see, very compact. The head just hooks out. I've got my plug. So I've got 2 charger ports. Yeah, it's a quick charger as well. So this for me is a must-have. I go to every conference, every place I go to. I will always have these with me. If you ever need any battery power, you know who to ask. Next up, important to have a decent bag. So I've got this. It's a little bit bigger than I think most people would need. That's purely because I've also got some of my recording equipment stuff with me today, and hence I need a bit more space. But it's worth having a bag that's a little bit bigger than what you probably need, just in case you do pick up items from the exhibitors, that kind of stuff, because you want something to carry, rather than carrying lots of little bags that you tend to get. Thankfully nowadays with the whole green movement, a lot less exhibitors are giving you bags of stuff, and they're just giving you the individual items. Making sure you're hydrated is really important, and so I always keep a water bottle with me. This is my son's, I'm actually take that today. I've actually been given another one by somebody today, but I'm going to stick with this because it's got no branding and stuff, and I kind of like it as well. And also, make sure you've just got a couple of healthy snacks with you. More than welcome to gorge out on the chocolate if you want. I'm trying to be a bit healthy and stuff and keep the brain active and things, so I've got a hot dog somewhere. So here we go. Yeah, again, in one of my kiddies' little togs and stuff, so just simple nuts to chomp on and stuff and thing, and that just keeps me going throughout the day. If you're doing a bit more documentation, if you're doing a little bit more work and that kind of stuff, it's worth it rather than having a smartphone that you have something like a tablet or a laptop and thing. So I've got my laptop with me today, just in case if I had the opportunity to do some extra work and stuff. Personally, I'm a Windows person, so I have a Microsoft Surface Pro. I've had this one for about a couple of months now, and the previous one before that. I love it. My productivity is massively improved with this. It's quick, easy on, it's relatively light, but functional. This does all my podcast editing, my video editing, everything on this, so that's really helpful. I also do all my presentations from this kind of equipment, so I don't have to rely on the centre having enough stuff for me to do presentations when I am speaking. I think if you're doing that, the one thing that you must have is your own adapter for connecting up to monitors and AV equipment, that kind of stuff. So this is what's called a mini display port. A lot of laptops nowadays will have the connections built in, some of the bigger ones and stuff, but if you've got a mini item like my Surface Pro or a MacBook, that kind of stuff, or an iPad if that's what you're using, then you will need something like this. Make sure you get the right one for your equipment. Macs do tend to have a little bit different, but this means I can connect to any AV display, so when I'm speaking, I'm not stuck, I'm not having to rely on other people. Definitely a must-have if you're going to be speaking. Other kind of things that I'd recommend. To be fair, there's not much else that you really need, if I'm being honest. Having certain things can be helpful, so I do, despite my love of tech, with pen and paper, I think there are times when this is more useful. I occasionally get inspiration when I draw stuff and that kind of thing. I find it easier on this than on the computer screen. As many of you know, I like the Dingbat notebooks, they're really functional and stuff, and I use the Frixion pens. So these are kind of cool pens that come with ink that you can rub out by the tip. It uses heat and that kind of stuff. But definitely, I like this. So yeah, you can always find me one of these as well. So if you need some paper, I've probably got a bit spare. I do have a couple other things in here. I don't really think I need to show you these, but I've got basically a set of headphones in here, and I've got my external USB. So these I keep with me because I remember doing, I get some time where I just don't want to do anything and I want to just go either introverted, because I tend to, it's bizarrely, I do sometimes do that, but also it means I can do some podcasting work or editing and that kind of stuff because I get half an hour free. And I think, like I said earlier, when you're planning your day, planning some time for you to just have a bit of alone time is really important. But also, if you want to go off and meet friends, one of the things people like to do in these kind of events is network. So going off and having a coffee with people, factoring that time in your day. This is what I keep for a one-day conference. If I'm planning on doing some podcasts and stuff, I also keep some disclaimers with me for the video side of things. Like nobody's with it. It's to do help. But making sure you've got the equipment that you want and need to have fun at one of these events as well as learn is really important. So if you're coming for a longer period of time, 2 days, 3 days, make sure you've got all your home kit and stuff, and definitely have a plug charger. You'll be thanking yourself for that. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys what I bring. Hope you found this really useful. If you've got your own personal little things you'd like to take to events, let me know in the comments below. We'd love to know what you think. As always, guys, leave me a comment if you want on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, podcasting. Love it if you guys leave me a review as always. Definitely make sure you subscribe, ring the bell to get notified of all this content and stuff. And as always, guys, here at EGP Learning, we're here to help save you your patient's time by taking action in primary care and learning. Catch you in the next episode.